this is a punch needle.
Okay.
Yarn flows through it. You hold it just like you would a pencil, and you keep this open part facing the direction you want to go.
Okay.
So then you push all the way down into the fabric, and then when you come up, instead of lifting, because you'll pull the stitch out,
Yeah.
what you do is you drag the tip of the needle to the next spot. So it's about 4 stitches per inch. So stab and drag, and you can go any direction you want to go as long as this open part is facing where you want to go. So if I want to turn, I would come up and I would rotate that needle and keep punching. So I can go in curves, straight lines, diagonal, all of it. So this side is making a flat stitch, and then the underside is making a loop.
Oh.
And this is technically the side you display.
I see.
So you work from the reverse.
Gotcha.
And then if you mess up, you can take it out and you can scrape the fabric.
Kind of like an
Self-healing.
etch and sketch.
Yes.
Right?
And then you can punch again.
Well, that's
So you
cool.
really cannot mess it up.
Oh, holy cow. Can I do a couple of those?
Yeah, absolutely.
Am I doing
Yep,
it right?
all the way down to the handle. So all the way, there you go.
Oh, I see.
There you go. Now you're doing it. Stab and drag.
Which is the punch part, right?
Yep, that's the punch part.
So there's not really a... How far can you pull it?
You want to go about 1/4 of an inch.
Okay. And it's one of those just practice, and once you do it a couple times,
Yes. Yeah, so the
you kind of
kits
get in the
have-
rhythm, right?
Yep, the kits have everything someone would need to make their first project. So you don't have to have anything extra. It's all in the box, ready to go.